the International Association of Lions Clubs District 323A2 celebrated its October Service Week with great pomp and glory. Need-based community services was carried out by all the clubs in the districts under the able leadership of District Governor along with his entire team. Here we present the activities of the Service Week of District 323A2 India, which will be broadcasted by NMTV and will be available for viewing worldwide at www.nmtv.tv.
District Governor Lion Mahesh Gupta entrusted me with the responsibility of the Committee of Lions Information and Public Relations. In short, it is known as a PRO committee. Our objective is to create awareness of the various services done by us within the Lions family as well as in the society around us. Taking the advantage of the Service Week, we have taken up this project of compiling the information of various image building projects conducted by the clubs, launching of the service weeks in different areas. Many of our clubs are serving the society through their permanent projects throughout the year. We have covered few of them, and we are serving the society through our district service center at Koparkhairne. This information will be played everywhere, shall be shared and shown in the societies around, and can be relayed through various TV channels and the news channels. We desire to spread and create our good work being done to the society. This compilation should motivate the clubs to take up few new projects, as well as this should motivate the non-fellow Lions to come and join the organization and give us the hands. This compilations will spread our work in the society around, and this would also help us during our fundraising drives. I thank all the clubs for their wonderful cooperation and support in compiling this information. Due to paucity of the time, we could not accommodate all the requests. I hope you all would appreciate our limitations and pardon us for the same. Friends, enjoy Lionism, live Lionism, and love Lionism. Thank you.
Image Building Rally by Lions Club of Navi Mumbai. Lions Police Rally by Ghatkopar and Simple Clubs. Rally at Kamote in support of Save the Girl Child.
हमारे लायंस क्लब इंटरनेशनल का जो था, ये मोबाइल आई क्लिनिक ऑन व्हील्स में कंप्यूटराइज इक्विपमेंट के साथ हमने मोबाइल आई चेकअप स्थापित किया है। हर एक गांव-गांव में पेशेंट्स लोगों को चेक करेंगे।
आई क्लिनिक ऑन व्हील्स फॉर कैरिंग आउट आई चेकअप्स एट रिमोट लोकेशंस विद सोफिस्टिकेटेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एंड एडवांस्ड टेक्निक्स।
And I'm really grateful to all our donors and including Dhanuji for donating generously, and we could achieve the goal.
Obviously, this is trying to achieve that in time to come, we will do better.
President already explained his desire and wishes कि मनोकामना पूर्ण हो जाएगी.
Elocution competition for the students of KJ Somaiya Institute of Management. Project Say No to Plastic Bags. Mega Medical Checkup Camp by Clubs of Thane, launching of website by Lions Club of Thane North. Road Safety Awareness and Eye Checkup Camp by Lions Club of Kalve. Free kleptosurgery and plastic surgery camp. 65 patients checked and 40 operations were conducted. A project of over rupees 18 lakhs. Inauguration of ambulance by Lions Club of Kalyan. Mega Medical Checkup Camp. And project Say No to Plastic Bags. Renovation of school and Mega Medical Checkup Camp by Lions Club of Uptown. Service Center of Lions Club of Kurla, having eye checkup, dental and pathology. Dental Clinic of Lions Club of Mulund. Service Center Lions Club of Chembur, having pathology, digital X-ray and dental facilities. Service Week launching with 140 saving machines by Lions Club of Mulund.
140 machine.
Service Center Lions Club of Thane North, having dialysis section, digital X-ray and dental facilities. OPD clinic run by Lions Club of New Panvel, serving Adivasi areas in Karnala. Dental and eye checkup facilities at Medical Center of Lions Club of Vidya Vihar.
For one of our ambitious project of our club, Lions Club of Vidya Vihar, where we are inaugurating a fully automated eye care department, which will be inaugurated on 7th of October at 3:30 p.m. at the hands of past International President Lion Ashok Mehta.
Lions Club of Thane Kopri, supporting Vishwas with orders for the material made by them and supporting these children by increasing their Atma Vishwas. Supporting Shantivan Lepers Home by providing orders for their production. Donation of water bed to Civil Hospital Thane. Providing government ID cards for the senior citizens. Blood collection camp by Lions Club of Shahpur. Over 90 bottles were collected. Mega Medical Checkup Camp by Lions Club of Govandi. Solar light donation by Lions Club of Govandi. Project Anaj Dan food distribution for the HIV affected families. Mega Medical Checkup and Cancer Detection by Lions Club of Vashi. Senior Citizen Day celebrated by fashion parade and ramp walk by inmates of Ashraya with age 96 and below. Reading Action Program, donation of education material.
ये दया का एक प्रतीक है। जीव का दया होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और आज इन्होंने कलेक्टिवली ये दया का एक रूप दिखाया है।
जो जन कल्याण सेवाश्रम में 200 के करीब बच्चे हैं जो डेस्टिट्यूट चिल्ड्रन या सिंगल मदर्स, सिंगल पेरेंट्स के जो बच्चे हैं, उन सभी को हम लोगों ने स्कूल बैग्स, बुक्स, ड्राइंग बुक, क्रेयॉन्स, पेंसिल्स, पेन्स, सभी पूरा जो साल भर का जो व्यवसाय लगता है, बुक्स, स्टेशनरी लगता है, वो सारा दिया है।
Educating construction site children.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी।
Now there are 4 sites with us and we are teaching more than 100 kids.
We feel that this project will go a long way and we are planning to implement this project in at least 100 sites, and we want that at least 1500 to 2000 students or children get to learn this.
Our pride. Service Center. With facilities like digital X-ray, ECG, pathology, dialysis center, dental services, eye checkup and physiotherapy center.